Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see, I have this ladies piece right here, but this tutorial will work for many Timex Ironman Triathlon models that have the two buttons on the right, the two on the left, and the start and split button on the middle. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So, when you are in the home screen, what you want to do is to press and hold the button on the top left side, so where you have set and recall. So we are going to press and hold. As you can see, it also tells us to press and hold in order to be able to set. Here we have time 1, so we are going to be able to set time 1. You also have the option to have 2 time zones, so you can do that as well. So I'm going to first set this first, and I'm going to press on the mode button once in order to arrive at the actual setting. Here you have the hour, so as you can see we have 1 here, so you are going to be able to use these two buttons, so the start and split in order to advance, and the one on the bottom right in order to go backwards. As you can see, I have the 24-hour display, so I will be able to set military time. So I'm going to make it 16 p.m. Now I'm going to press mode once again, and here I am able to adjust the minutes. Once again, using the button on the right bottom side, you can actually go backwards. And if you press the one in the middle, the start and split, you can actually go forward. You can also press and hold, and as you can see, it will move faster without actually changing the hours. This is something that you also find on Casio watches. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can also adjust the seconds. As you can see, when you press the button, it actually resets them to 0. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. And here, as you can see, I can actually set the day of the week. So it is Thursday, and I'm going to make it Friday. Once again, you can use these two buttons in order to go backwards and forward. So once again, Friday, I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here you have the month, so I'm going to add and make it December, so the 12th. If I go past, I can always go backwards using this button. I'm going to press mode once again. Here is the day of the month, so I'm going to make it, let's say, the 24th of December. And if I press mode button once again, here I can actually set between military time and the 12-hour display. So usually people prefer the 24-hour or the military display, so you can leave it like that. I'm going to press mode once again. Here you will be able to select how you want your date to be displayed. So here you can press the start and split in order to change them. As you can see, month and date or day and month. I'm going to leave it at day and month. Then mode once again. Here we have the chime. I'm going to leave it off. And also we have the beep, which, as you can see, you can go between on and off. When it is on, you actually get this beep. Now I'm going to leave it off as well. Going to press mode button once again. And as you can see, I arrived once again at the beginning. So if you want to change something once again, you can go once again through all the mode functions in order to change something. Or if you have done everything correctly, you can press the set or recall button. And as you can see, we have the set time, and also we have the date set as well. So guys, that is how you set the time and date on your Timex Ironman Triathlon with the 5 buttons. Once again, it will work for many other models as well. If you enjoyed this type of videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our other videos because we have a bunch of tutorials, also how to replace the watch battery, how to navigate through different functions on other digital watches as well. So like the video, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our 2 websites, and also I'm going to see you on the next video.